you know, I just want my balls crushed. I want them stamped on. I want them demolished. Ah! Step on me balls, man! Why?
Someone just came to the window. Fucking hell, he's got cake, hasn't he? The arse on you, son.
The other day I sucked a really big cock and then he come.
For fuck.
At the shit.
Oh lad, it stopped recording when I put it in my pocket.
2, 1, action.
Right, like,
Yeah, you man.
no, I've been better.
Oh really man, what's wrong?
It's your mum. She's dead.
You fuck off.
Action, and then like wait a couple seconds.
Aiden, man.
Oh my god. Oh my god. 1, action.
Right, like,
Nah man, I've been better.
what's wrong?
Just been down man, ever since my mum died.
Ever since my mom died.
You keep saying my mom's dead. Like, what are you going? 3, 2, 1. Action.
Right, like,
Yeah, you?
no, I've been better.
What's wrong man?
Test came back positive.
What's wrong?
AIDS.
Stop, man.
Why are you the worst act? Can I just act, please? 3, 2. Wait for me to get out of the frame. 1. Action.
Right, like,
man?
no, I've been better.
What's wrong?
It's just, lately I've been feeling down.
What's wrong? You can tell me.
I got laid off from my job.
Really? How? Why?
They said it was nonsense.
Matty.
Sorry.
Matty.
You're next.
Make this one the last.
Alright, it's Amaz's turn now anyway. He's on cock alert. I'm not sitting down.
Why not?
Because you'll just look at me cock and you'll zoom in.
My mom wanted to get rid of me. But I'm a persistent bastard and the poison just absorbed in me. I am a rapper and I have autism. I bring girls to orgasm.
Orgasm.
There's no audio to this so I can say what I want. I hate those little
There might be audio.
Imagine.
I can actually see your bulge. Look at the bulge! Daddy's hungry now, Eddie.
What, for my balls?
2 right. Imagine the biggest cock you've ever seen.
This? It's so small. Ladies, if you like a small dick, bro, my ad is Aiden_Charlton123 because I am fucking not packing. Like, it's genuinely... Like, it's so small. It's so small. Do you want to see? Do you want to see?
I can't blue ball me like that.
Thank you.
Fuck, I
Bro, I thought that was the inhaler.
Motherfucker thinks he's slick putting record on.
Aiden, can you get off TikTok for 2 seconds of your life?
I'm watching Astrid Wet and Ellie Brooke having an argument on Twitter.
Really?
Astrid Wet called someone a slag. Bro, I swear it's brown.
Leave her alone. She's a queen.
Leave her alone.
She's a queen.
Leave her alone.
Bro, it's brown as fuck, you know.
It's not.
She's never washed her vagina, bro. There's so many diseases down there. She hasn't even got crabs, she's got lobsters. She's got lobsters, bro.
Shit quack.
Yeah, look at her. Go away.
Aiden, have you sent her my dog after you?
I can't do it in a second.
The fuck am I looking at? Oh, bloody hell.
Astrid Wet calls someone a slag and says that they're putting on the pounds.
So it might work.
Bro, I swear you rode Simple Simon's rod, you mongoloid.
Can we get recording, please?
Oh shit, alright.
Aiden, we need a clapper.
Aiden.
I don't have the clap, to be honest.
You do?
Yes, you fucking created the clap. You gave the AIDS to
Just because it was from New Cairo doesn't mean I made it.
Lad, you gave the AIDS to the monkeys.
Yeah, look out.
Man.
What the fuck are you fucking me for, bro?
God, I wish I was big.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Holy fuck.
Get away, man.
Right, sorry.
Right, we need a clapper. So you just clap.
I know, man!
Homosexuality is my speciality. I'm not being the best recently, lad, I can't lie.
Why not?
got sacked from work the other day.
What for?
It was an accidental knock. Some oil on the floor. A couple of people fell over. A couple of broken bones, but because of me. So they laid us off, saying I'm too clumsy and irresponsible. I never said it didn't justify it.
It isn't depression anymore.
But thank fuck he died. From Premier.
Well, that is respectable. Like, what? Was it your fault?
Yes.
Well, if that's the case, lad, I think it justifies you being sacked. Me dad's dead!
It's not even depression anymore.
You're next!
Oh, that is.
Aiden, come on.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
Scholar.
Think of a justifiable reason why you're depressed. Your mum
Why
was
the
in an
school's
accident.
closed.
Someone, don't even say she was dead.
Alright, yeah, I've got it.
Someone like that, but anything.
I've got it, don't worry. Just not been the best lately.
Really? What's wrong?
Well, you see,
I'm ears.
it's me dad. He's dead. He's dead as fuck. Like, honest to God, my dad is so
Get
dead.
close to
Where
the
did he
camera.
where
Honestly, right, if it was a competition, right, my dad would win a gold medal because he's dead as fuck. So, in conclusion, my dad, corpse.
Yeah, man, let's do one me and you.
Someone's coming in.
Piece of shit.
Right then, back to it.
I'll be a clapper. Ready?
I would rather suck cock all my life.
How are you?
I'm not too good, to be honest.
Really? What's wrong?
Well, it's my mom. She's had an accident at work.
Oh no.
She's not dead. She's had an accident.
I'll make sure she is.
Help!
This is what prison does to it.